Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to reset Ford Ranger service light. Turn the ignition to on without starting the engine and press the trip button firmly. Hold the button until the service light begins to flash or go dark, then release it. If the light does not reset, cycle the ignition off and on and repeat the process. This simple method works for many Ford Ranger models and takes just a few minutes. If your Ranger has steering wheel controls, use the menu buttons to access vehicle settings and oil life. Scroll to the maintenance or service reminder section and choose the reset option shown on the screen. Confirm the reset when prompted and watch the display show a successful restart or full percentage. If the procedure seems slightly different, consult the owner manual for your trim level to match menu names and button layouts. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more car tips. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They stay comfortable during long drives and garage work. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want to grab a pair. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. If the service light persists, check the battery and electrical connections first, as low voltage can interrupt the reset sequence. Try repeating the reset steps after waiting a minute, and use the alternate method if available. Keep an eye on maintenance items like oil level and filters, because unresolved issues will trigger the light again. When in doubt, a dealer or qualified mechanic can diagnose persistent warnings and clear the service reminder correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.